Construction channel. Today in this video I will discuss some basic terms. Okay guys, now let us start. Our first point is M20 grade concrete generally used in construction of slab. Okay, M20 grade concrete generally used in construction of slab. The ratio of M20 is 1:1.5:3. We can see here. Okay guys, this is your ratio. This is cement and this is fine aggregate and this is coarse aggregate. This is the ratio of M20 grade concrete. Used in slab, we see the peak of slab. This is your slab peak. Here we use M20 grade concrete. Okay guys, now our next point is weight of steel bar is calculated by using formula D square divided by 162. Okay, if you know the dia of bar, we can calculate the weight of steel bar. Okay guys, here D is always in mm. This is your bars, steel bars here. Now our next point is the number of bricks required for 1 meter cube is 500 bricks. Okay guys, the number of bricks in 1 meter cube is 500. We can calculate here. We see how to calculate the number of bricks in 1 meter cube. First, size of bricks is 19 into 9 into 9. This is in centimeter. Size of brick with mortar is 20 into 10 into 10. This is also in centimeter. First of all, we find volume of bricks with mortar. This is L into B into H. This is your volume of bricks with mortar. And we find volume of 1 meter cube. This is the volume of 1 meter cube of bricks. And the number of bricks we find by formula volume of 1 meter cube divided by volume of bricks. Okay guys, we see here the total number of bricks in 1 meter cube is 500. Now our next point is a standard size of brick. What is the standard size of brick? The standard size of brick is 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter, or also available 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter. We see here the standard size of brick. This is your brick and this is your length 190 mm. In here we see this is in mm. If you want to change in centimeter, we divide this by 10. We get in centimeter. This is your height of bricks and this is your width. Okay, the number of bricks with mortar. Size of brick with mortar is, here some error. Size of brick with mortar is 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Okay, this is your brick. This is your mortar. Okay guys, what is mortar? Mortar is the combination of water, cement and fine aggregate. Okay guys, our next point is cement more than 3 months old cannot be used for construction, because with the passage of time cement loses its strength. So after 3 months, cement lose strength by 20%. So we cannot use cement 3 months old. Okay guys, the slope of stair should be between 25 to 40 degree. Slope of stair, we can see here the peak of stair. This is your stair. Okay guys, here this slope is should be between 25 to 40 degree. Okay guys, this angle is in between 25 to 40 degree. Our next point, the riser in the stair in between 150 to 200 mm and tread 250 to 300 mm. We see here riser. This is your riser. The height of riser should be 150 mm to 200 mm, and tread, this is your tread. Tread is 250 to 300 mm. Okay guys, and our next point is the run in the stair in between 22.9 centimeter to 27.9 centimeter. This is your run. Okay guys, this is your run. The length of run should be 22.9 centimeter to 27.9 centimeter. Okay guys, and our next point is the length of a stringer will be about 14 inches for each step. For each step, here this is your total stringer length. For each step from this to this, the length of stair should be about 14 inches. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends.